Hi, and welcome back. Today I want to show you how I pack for a backcountry winter skiing hike. Even if it's for one night or several nights, and I do it the same way. On longer trips I just add on more food. More fuel, and maybe a little bit more clothes. It depends. So, let's go into it. During my military days, I've been skiing too many miles with a heavy backpack, so I know that that's not the best option, at least not for me, and I guess for most people. A big backpack make you top heavy, and keeping the balance, getting over more advanced terrain is not a good idea in with a big backpack. So what I prefer to use is a sled like this. This is this Paris expedition pulks. They are, by my opinion, a very good choice. I use this now for some time, and yeah, in total I have 5 of these, and they are rigged in different ways. Some are rigged like this with bungee, with hooks, and hook it on. It's simpler to do it that way, but sometimes it might be a little bulky. You have a higher spot in one place and lower in another one, so I usually enforce it with bungee elastic cargo straps with hooks on each side. But I'll use this one now. So going with a pulk, it's, by my opinion, easier than a big backpack, but still I use a small day pack, like 25 liter, 30 liter, something like that, just to have my essentials, like an extra layer of warm clothes, like a down jacket, a wool sweater, and if it's might be rain, maybe a waterproof cover, something like that. Just a simple thing. And I also put in my thermos and some snacks and stuff, maybe my lunch, into that backpack, so it's easy accessible whenever I need it. And depending on what skis you're wearing, you might use skins, or you might use this old wax. Whatever you do, that backpack is a perfect place to put it. So the first thing I do is to make my bed. For that I start with a urban bag or any other insulated bivy bag. It doesn't need to be insulated, but for condensation and stuff I prefer to have it like that. Okay, I lay out my bag. If you have one of these with armholes in, I prefer to have that up towards where my face is. And I have a sleeping mat. This is an inflatable one, which is rated for winter temperatures. I open the valves so it's compressible both ways. Well, it can inflate, but it can also be deflated as we pack. Put it in, and I put it in my sleeping bag on top of the mat, like so. Inside my sleeping bag I put my extra wool underwear, long johns and shirt, and a pair of socks. This is the thing I gotta put on when sleeping or after getting to camp. That's my dry set. Then I have my food and other stuff. I keep in different bags. So the green bag, that's for my multi-fuel stove and my dirty stuff. Then I have another bag with clean stuff, which is my food. So to begin with, some of this, a trail mix, protein bar and some chocolate. I'll bring in my backpack to keep it accessible. There's other stuff here I can have in the camp. I have some meals and coffee. My food pack, everything is dry stuff that can't leak. So I just put it in on top of my sleeping bag. This is a pot, mainly for melting snow. That's why I'm using a little bit bigger pot than usual. It's a stainless steel one. Many people, I see they put the burners and stuff inside. That might be fine, but I don't want to contaminate my pot with fuel of any kind. So I keep this away. But we should take advantage of this room. So I can put in here toilet paper. You're gonna bring that anyway, so why not put it in here? Like so. Fuel bottles. Make sure it's not leaking. Can't feel anything. Moist, wet. That's good. Then I'll wrap it in a plastic bag. Put it together with my burner in the dirty bag. I also put some matches in here. That's good. This bag I do not put in with my sleeping bag and stuff. This will stay in the pulk itself. What else can we put in with the sleeping bag? Well, toiletry. I don't need much. It's a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a towel, and a bit of hand sanitizer. That's all I got, together with the toilet paper. Now my sleep system is ready, so I'll just wrap it up. Dump it in the sled. Like so. Squeeze the most of the air out. Put in the corners. Fit in my sled. just put these on now, turn temporary to stop it from blowing up again. Now, sled is ready. I'll put one of these. This is my burner and fuel. Put it underneath in the bottom of the sled, like so. Here's the other one. My kettle, also packed in plastic bag. Stuck it underneath. So, and also I usually bring a piece of rope. You never know, it's very useful. And yeah, sometimes I do, sometimes don't. This is a tarp which I can put on top of everything to cover it from freezing rain, snow melting from the sun, stuff like that. So I usually bring it. Not necessarily need to use it, but it's there. On top of this, put my rope in here somewhere. On top of this, the tent. Now the tent is packed for storage, but when I go on a winter, I put it up, and when I take it down, I take the mid section of the whole rod when it's connected. I loose it there and just bend the whole mid section over, and I roll the tent together so it'll be like this long, and put it on top. So when I'm gonna put it up, I just roll it out and join the 3 rods, the one joint on each of them, and rise the tent quite quickly. Like so. Snow shovel. Very important piece of gear. Now the sled is ready, and now I need to pack my day pack, and I'm good to go. Okay, so why do I pack it like this with my bed already more or less ready? Well, it's 2 reasons. Number 1, when you come to a campsite, you take off the tent. You put up the tent, and when the tent is up, lift this, shake off snow, and I throw the whole thing inside the tent. And my bed is ready. Everything I need is in this casing, or in this bivy bag. That's one thing. The second thing, what if you get hurt, or one in your group get hurt or injured, or go through the ice, starting to get hypothermic? Well, now it's ready. You don't need to put up the tent, you can heat the tent or anything. This is ready to use. You just open up. And put the injured person inside, or you might have been surprised by really bad weather. Weather changes in the mountains is not uncommon, and it can be really dangerous. But with this, you can just lay it straight down on the snow, climb in, put your clothes on top of your sleeping bag, and you can close it up from the inside. This is waterproof, snowproof, so you can open one of these to breathe through. So it's perfect. It's a shelter. It's a shelter combined with kind of a storage pocket where you have all your essentials. So that's why I pack it like this, because I like to be prepared for the unexpected. And you never know. Shit happens. So I hope this was interesting, and in a later video I can show you how I rig my tent to make that quick and easy to pitch up. So if someone wants to see that, I can do that. So hope you like it. See you soon.